Today we'll be talking about the different kinds of dehumidifiers. This first one is called a Howhen jar. You simply start by unscrewing the lid on the top. There's a foam stopper which you'll take out to pull out the desiccant at the bottom of your jar. You'll remove both stickers so that you can visibly see the color of the beads. Once you remove this sticker, the lifespan of your desiccant is activated. Then you simply place your hearing aids in here with the battery doors open overnight. And this helps take all the moisture out of the devices. This next one is called a dry dome. You start by pressing the power button, and the power is indicated by the green light. Open the battery doors just like on the first jar, and place your hearing aids and close the lid overnight. This last one is called the dry and store. You'll start by opening the lid and once again open the battery doors on your devices and place them in overnight. You have a dry brick in here that takes the moisture out of your devices, so you'll peel that tab off to activate it, and then you'll press the power button on the front. It also comes with different adapters for international travel, and you can change that out on the end of the plug there. When powering on the dry and store, you should get this light indication in the middle of the lid as the blue light is seen here. If you're interested in purchasing a dehumidifier, talk to a technician or doctor on your next appointment, or give us a call if you have any questions.